Right, so before using the gas-powered pressure washer, you want to have your safety glasses on, or impact resisting glasses if you have. And I also recommend using the face shield if you're working somewhere or with something that has flying debris shooting out. And if you are going to be using pressure washer for a long period of time, I also recommend something to protect your hearing. Something like this would work pretty good. And if also you could use an apron if you need it, don't always need it. Yeah. Pressure washer, make sure you're using it in a well ventilated area, not somewhere inside. And be aware of the exhaust fumes because they are hot. Comes from here and over here. It says right there, caution, hot. And when you're using the wand, make sure you're not pointing at someone. Keep it away because it does have a lot of pressure and could be fatal. So yeah, keep it away from people and just shoot where you need to use it.
For the pressure washer, you want to check to make sure that there's oil in the engine and in the pump. To check the engine oil, you undo the engine oil dipstick that's underneath the exhaust over here. There's dipsticks on both sides, but this is the one that's easier to get to. You want to make sure that there's oil in the motor and on the dipstick. Tighten it back up. You want to check the oil in the pump. Undo that. Ensure that there's oil on the bottom of the dipstick.
Go.
Prior to starting, you want to also check the fuel levels. Check the motor fuel level. You want to do the top of the tank up here. This is the gasoline tank up here. There's a diesel tank on the bottom for the burner. Make sure that there's fuel in there, you shake it around. See some in there, it's all good.
Go.
You want to connect the hose to the pressure washer and ensure that the hose is kink free. You want to ensure that the pre-filter is installed. Then do up the hose tight.
Go.
You want to ensure that the water is traveling through the system. And then you want to make sure the burner is off prior to starting the pressure washer itself.
Go.
When starting the pressure washer, you want to make sure that the throttle is not all the way at full position. You want to have the choke on, and you want to have the fuel on. And turn the key to the on position, and then start. Once the motor is doing that, let's turn the choke off. Choke off.
Go.
Once the pressure washer is turned off, you want to make sure that the system is depressurized by squeezing the trigger and letting the water run through the pressure washer for 5 minutes. Make sure the burner cools down.